If you want to flip a frame in Canva, whether it's a photo inside a frame or the frame content itself, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. This is super useful when you want to mirror an image, improve your layout, or make your design look more balanced without starting over. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Canva tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, go to Canva and open the design you want to edit. You can start from your recent projects, your folders, or create a new design if you're working from scratch. Once your design is open, look for the frame you want to adjust. Frames are especially helpful because they let you place images neatly into a preset shape or layout. Now click directly on the frame, or in some cases, click the image inside the frame. This step is important because Canva needs to know exactly which element you want to change. If the frame is selected, you'll see editing options appear along the top toolbar. If the photo inside the frame is selected instead, that's okay too, because the flip tools can still be used to change its direction. At the top of the editor, click Flip. This opens the flip options for your selected element. Canva usually gives you two choices here: flip horizontal and flip vertical. If you want the image to face the opposite direction, choose flip horizontal. This is the most common option, especially for portraits, product shots, or any visual that needs a mirrored look. If you want to turn the image upside down, choose flip vertical instead. After you click your flip option, Canva will instantly apply the change. Take a moment to look at the layout and see how it fits with the rest of your design. Sometimes flipping an image changes the balance of the composition, so you may want to reposition it slightly. You can drag it around inside the frame, resize it, or crop it a little more until it looks perfect. If your frame contains a photo and the image looks off after flipping, don't worry, that's completely normal. Just adjust the position until the subject is centered the way you want. You can also click the image again and use Canva's controls to fine-tune the placement. Small adjustments can make a big difference in the final design. One thing to remember is that flipping is different from rotating. Rotating turns the element while flipping mirrors it. So if your goal is to reverse the direction of the image, flip is the tool you want. If you only want to tilt it, then rotation would be the better choice. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can flip a frame in Canva, mirror your image, and quickly improve the look of your design. This is one of those simple Canva tricks that can save time and help your graphics look much more polished. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Canva tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.